Here's the dirty little secret. While most doctors don't talk about supplementation in integrative medicine, they're more likely to turn to those things for their own health and the health of their family members, more than the general population. Let's be honest, the standard American diet isn't delivering the nutrients we need. Even when we eat well, modern farming, soil depletion, and stress means we're falling short. The result? Low energy, poor recovery, weak immune response, and most people don't even know they're deficient. So why don't more doctors talk about it? Because the multivitamins out there just don't work. doTERRA's VMG is different. It's the formula I trust and the one I recommend. Here's why. The 5 essential oils in VMG are the key to its unmatched absorption, setting it apart from every other multivitamin on the market. We have ginger, which soothes the GI tract, lavender with its calming effect, lemongrass absorbing nutrients, peppermint that supports the GI tract, and then wild orange that helps us absorb those vitamins and minerals so well. It uses bioavailable, activated nutrient forms, so your body actually absorbs what you're taking. It includes essential trace minerals your hormones and cells need to function properly. It's paired with antioxidants and plant nutrients to protect you from cellular stress, and it's rigorously tested batch after batch. Even the Journal of the American Medical Association, one of the most respected voices in medicine, now recommends that adults consider taking a multivitamin. The research is clear, nutrients matter, and most of us just aren't getting enough. So take 1 sachet each day with your E-Omega Plus and doTERRA PB Restore. It's simple, it's effective, and it's foundational. This isn't about mega dosing, it's about closing the gap so your body can do what it's designed to do. If you've been handed a sample, try it. If you're still unsure, ask yourself why 72% of doctors rely on a multivitamin. We know something that the industry doesn't often say out loud. Foundational nutrition is non-negotiable. Let's start there.